Hey adventure seekers! Today's video is all about an incredible experience I had just outside of Marrakech, Morocco. An exhilarating quad biking adventure through a stunning rocky desert landscape that also offered a glimpse into the local way of life. Leaving behind the bustling city of Marrakech, we venture into a unique and captivating environment, a rocky desert with its own dramatic beauty. But this excursion just outside Marrakech wasn't only about the stunning scenery. It was also an opportunity to witness the simpler way of life in some of the more remote villages scattered around the area. You could really get a sense of how many people live in this region and their traditional way of life. Now, as we continue our journey, we are simply waiting to arrive and soaking in the captivating, arid landscape around us. Highlighting the why of the rocky desert. This rocky desert landscape around Marrakech is often overlooked in favor of the sandy dunes, but it offers a totally different and equally stunning experience. It's perfect for those looking for a quicker escape from the city without venturing too far, while still feeling completely immersed in nature. The unique geology of this area makes for some incredible photo opportunities. The way the light hits the rocks at different times of day is just magical. And what better way to explore this incredible scenery than on a quad bike? The feeling of hitting the trails, the wind in my face, and the power of the quad beneath me was absolutely exhilarating. Just a short preparation. Gabriel, are you ready?
I'm born ready.
So, are you the driver?
Yeah.
Okay, good.
First one drive.
Ready? Coming. And a few test laps. For anyone planning this trip, remember to wear comfortable clothes. You don't mind getting a little dusty. Sunscreen, sunglasses and a scarf or bandana to protect your face from dust are also highly recommended. Most tour operators will provide helmets, but it's always good to double check. And then the adventure began. We navigated through the rocky terrain, up and down small dunes, and across open plains. The adrenaline rush was fantastic, and the views around every turn were simply breathtaking. This wasn't your typical sandy desert. The rocky landscape added a whole new dimension to the adventure. The adrenaline rush was fantastic, and the views around every turn were simply breathtaking.
Marrakech wilderness.
Wow! Amazing! But the excitement didn't end with the quad biking. Our adventure led us to a wonderful resort, nestled in the heart of this rocky desert. What are you doing?
I'm putting away the sand.
Kong.
The cloud.
Upon arrival, we were greeted with the vibrant sounds of traditional drums, creating such a welcoming and authentic atmosphere. And, staying true to tradition, we were immediately offered some delicious mint tea. While it might seem surprising to drink hot tea in the desert heat, it's actually incredibly refreshing and a perfect way to cool down. The resort also features stunning traditional tents, offering the option for an overnight stay in this unique setting. It was such a fantastic contrast to the adrenaline-fueled quad biking, a perfect way to unwind and soak in the beauty of the desert landscape. It's beautiful. After this adventure, it's amazing. Wow. Unexpected place. Gabriel, how was this adventure? Did you like?
I like it. It's
And-
very interesting, and we move through the wilderness, and it's very, very interesting to move with the quad.
After the thrill of the ride, it was a fantastic surprise to discover a beautiful swimming pool where you could cool off and relax.
Aha! In the wilderness. We have a swimming pool and also a meal.
Time to taste.
Ma c'è couscous anche, se vuoi.
How is it?
Very good.
If you're looking for an adventurous escape just outside of Marrakech that combines the thrill of quad biking with a chance to see the surrounding landscapes and get a glimpse into the local culture and simpler way of life, I highly recommend this experience. It's an unforgettable journey that offers both adrenaline and a touch of cultural insight in a stunning setting. Thanks for joining me on this desert adventure. Please like and subscribe, so see you next time. Bye!